Hello, welcome. A very quick one on this. We have to make t the subject of the relation s equals 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t. So this is a simple equation involving fractions. So we cross multiply. So our term becomes s equals to 1 plus t. If you cross multiply, the whole of this come here as 1 plus t equals to s multiplying 1 minus t. You cross multiply diagonally. We need to expand here to free the t. So 1 plus t equals to s times 1 will be s. S times minus t will be st. So let's bring all the term involving t to one side. So t here will stay. Negative t become plus st equals to this s. Then you subtract 1. We need the t, but we are having it as 2. So we factorize the t out. T divided by t, 1. St divided by t, s equals to s minus 1. So what we do now is to divide by the bracket here. Meaning t will be equals to s minus 1, then 1 plus what? S. Or better still, s plus 1 to be in the same direction. So this is the making t the subject. This is what we are going to get. I'm sure it's clear. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.